I say it will be war if Christians don't control themselves in this country. I swear we will turn Ghana upside down. Who are you to turn Ghana upside down? At TikTok so and the social media ya fo into obi anya data 3 Ghana cedis pe. Not the akwatena social media no ke kan sem hunu. We yanchi no. Abaya we yanchi no. Munhu se yanchi no na me peda ya bechi sa abaya we na mesad na betena be kama nwa akire no. Wow, yetiti krom ha ene yema ye ho kwan ke kan sem hunu saa. Ewa ha all in the name of religion. Na nia ode religion ne nam ne so na ba ye no, in fact nia wo so no nam ne so ba ye no kra owen wo hunu da mi busao nia wo so no say ye Christianity, say ye Muslim, say ye Hinduism, Buddhism ene de ben mo hunu da. And so yet how ana in some hunu kika all in the name of religion. Adan na se basa enne say asumdue nioma yi mu a, can you go to your church, your temple, can you go to your mosque to go to pray or to go and pray? Ask yourself. Ene sa ba ye nsem hunu ya no so tete wa okeken. Can you ever see the careful at so a ene kohwe Iran, Israel se omutimi kura koshia dem so amu koshia akobo mpaya enie Ghanaian Muslim woman says I said it says on TikTok live stream nsem hunu wei sansem hunu wei nsem hunu keka no nani mo da wei nani ono na o kan say why to say South Africa ni abaye ya omuhwe your friend sempo a ya senta ono na e ba ho mfa ne ho nkwaji bio no ti fie na enkrofo nso bedi akire say ya sem nkwobo mutu no nso ukọ da bia na monum say na mu gidi mbone de ma Muslim som na binum nso tete ho na mo nso gidi mbone de ma Christianity mi ho ye nyina ye se ye pasumdue ye nyina yesi ye pasumdue aba edi enti na o se basa me busao yete Ghana hey yete Ghana oh eno na amanfo bebre ye ka se amanfo read politics into it, but me I'm not looking at any political angle. I'm looking into this issue as a Ghanaian. Na say oye o man mu ni anase o man ba o man ne hu hia wa onke kansem hunu sei ye but ade ba ko amahu wa ha ne e o Ghana ha ne say yesi bone kan ye hunu age bone kire bone kan ye hunu enti on say ba ye obi akura kakura obi ntimi enhya dan kan kosi se imam no sa imam Masud na asem no kan ye na akwatwetwe kwatwembrefo akwatwetwe sa de we nyina ba enso yete ye chief imam ye ne te Ghana ha say asumdue hene ba ko ne chief imam ye ma yankwa homa no so na ye ne Joada okay Joada Reverend Joada Godwin Amuzu, head of Interfaith Economical Relations, right? Christian Council of Ghana. Yene no kwa kobo enkomo. Papa nyame asum je nka o.
Yeah, asu je nka so.
Na me pacho ohonam tisen o.
Nyame adumo.
Ye de awurade ase. Papa ye da asese wa chebre ne ye bon komo for God and country. So na Christian Council of Ghana more issue a presser condemning the assault of in fact Apostle Daniel Yaw Ejay Jr. Sanet Efrim ho. Na me busa say ye hu say presser bi nam social media no so more purported to have come from the Christian Council of Ghana mo condemn the assault on so far na hank of gunensa obi born asum no mo so makasa de atia na mbi say press na nam no eyemo mo na mo de buy
yes I need an issue statement.
Oh, okay. And that statement, Mami Musa from this angle say, a dear important the woman was a Ghana ni etibie.
But something I got to do right.
Baba, what you mean, ka?
Yeah.
Na me busa say, a dear important na a war mu statement no more. E was a Ghana ni bia etibie.
Again, I see. Adia, Papa Niano, you tell Baba, and I know police therapy. I police headquarters. Adia, Yarano, that I see a near crack, it's a criminal act which contravenes the Constitution and then the Criminal Offences Act 1953. And to I mean, accept your kind of system. I know you can't say, Yuma, at this at the moment, the Muslim minister, the young church, I'm up with you. I know they say, India, this is not a family. I'm telling you, but I'm telling you, it is a law that must take its course. It's not anybody who takes the law into their own hands to unleash mayhem on their fellow countrymen or women. And me say now, yeah.
And now mukoshia wo police.
Condemn
okay. And now mukoshia wo police headquarters all in the name of say you be prayer sumdwe all the religious bodies, you know, na yen nyina yatena in harmony. And na mukọ ye no na enkomo na tesen. What the kanka say mu hia baba no wo ho. Now how was the feeling like? And na enkomo na ko say madawroma.
In fact, nyanya do bidia ko to pa na ya dafa no e dey na ya da ID class. Yeah. Onya nansa this and can you mention kind of amount of friendly among the future. I just got to do that was a couple of years. But I don't know if I can. You know, I had amount of come about the I did to tell you. As we don't want to say, we don't something about it. The government said, keep him up, we need 100. Mention, I tell you, I want something, a month to me by it. And I read from Christian Council, Ghana Pentecostal and Catholic Council, Catholic Bishop Conference, and Presidential for Interstate Ecumenical Relations, and I will say, uncle. You know, Anna, Executive Director of the Big Council. I will not buy it. Now, I told my account, Chiawan said, I see a big year somewhere here, they don't get it. That guy now, ball, when you're not so. Legal evidence, you can't deny. Obia Minister is a politically exposed person. Politically exposed, highly exposed. Now, you see, I hear religious, you know, I don't politics, partisan politics. Don't any and into yes, your person is here. Sabia, I get to tell me a couple of months, into months, to be a car, and I say, okay, let's idea. I tell you, don't castle. Now, money to you. Now, it's here, and here, the law is the law. It's your part of the NGA. Now, we have about guy religion, and now politics, now are the entire tower of money, or see money is the power. But and then, yeah, Naminti, the check, Naminti, the check, the photo, you know, boy, a couple of people, any imam now see in time of it so na omo share ana obia di na impo church am enti ye to follow it ya minti e dia che na ye hwe kwonse enti na wenti dani aduma Monday peace council Pentecostal and Charismatic council Ghana Catholic Bishop Conference any peace council and now interior minister you dey chair of peace council Monday 11:00 na ya san atu ade na be ya ade to chair no interior ministry and peace council and ya ya ka bu na ka hese bibia atu kama atu
okay so for na apostle anonso no hobi
o ba pa
na ai sa chie na omo chi no se ye police fo na chi no ana se wan fo na ebe chi no na omo de handcuff agu ni nsa no
yeah but it's a police on the chain because there said you ba na tumo no na police for omo attach into omo na omo de handcuff share ni nsa na papa na ogbona so ono to ejuma o di no only police for no omo nante because I think I'm prime minister I deputy prime minister na I have been pa or hard board to ni time no binti inti o tanya so to do no check in Ghana no when people are when they are political particularies they get observable who will be some no am tine bi so yana you put 2 minutes time no thinking ono aka say opachona onim the very reason or ya tabi am thinking they say make the car first no think am minti ya the car it ye no na ya bona so ono so saka no o se opantia anka ya ba tane china ya di mana di papa no so ono se o ya cha ya yenti ni anka cha manufacture anya it o poncha teno no o si o poncha ya si o pano so aji ti amu na amu se ma no so amu pa ya cho ya poncha chief imam si o poncha enti ke dia che ya bon pa che ncd
every ne adequacy Monday no is there any other engagement Christian council mo be ye e bia mo ne Pentecostal and Charismatic council no any peace council mo be ye bibi separately ansa na Monday no masa akosia any interior minister akosia na
oh dey see there ya ka to mo na tell amanfo go fun se o si ye bibi no si te no ye chi ye no ona ye di bon kom ye ka tro mo se yen kitwe bi na call program na se enti ye si ye no asi ya bo mo amani enti amani bo no na ye juma ye di ya akopid Monday.
Okay. Papa, ya beda se pa awie se wache brani ya bon komo. Inim se Monday, se money interior ministry no and as a minister ekohia, ya besa ba na ye ne wa bon komo bi. Ya da se awie.